behind. Nice.
Dang, I wanted these boots myself. But they'll look real nice with your outfit. You can race again, you know. Now the prize is a bunch of bolts.
To activate the charge boots, double tap and hold R1.
Ah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's really cool. Actually, I kind of wish I had that for the desert. In fact, I might even go back to the desert. No, I don't. You know what? I want to go back to the desert. But I really should be. Ah! I got a little too cocky. Oh, come on. All right. Operate yourself better than something over here. I don't know. Why would they have this section over here? Ow. I don't know why I thought boosting would actually help. Oh, you goddamn birds! Did I kill you? You know what? You guys fucking suck. The nostalgia, yes. I've never played these before, so this is way interesting. Oh no! At least I got the bolts. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's see. Wait. Oh, wait, I get it. I get it. I get it. No, wrong way. Oh, Jesus. Wow. The mic is pretty quiet compared to the game. Do you really think so? Is it really that quiet? I didn't hear. Let me hear. Yeah, you're right. Holy crap. Let me... Shit. 1 second. Darn it. Testing. 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 Better? Sound better? Hello? I think it sounds a little better. Well, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Alright, let's see. I think it'll sound better. Yep, 2 thumbs up. Okay, gotcha. Alrighty. Let us go ahead. I have a 10-second delay just to try to ensure quality, so... Yeah, I'm looking at your response and, yeah! Death. I need to upgrade this crap. No, get off of that. You don't get that. Get your on your turret. Screw you. Laser pointer of death. Which doesn't want like silly string, but whatever. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Is there anything behind here? I feel like. Bird flapping noises. They're so bad. Go away! Alright, let's see. You know, Kay, I'm really glad you got to see this stream. Someone I know who likes to watch other streams. It's awesome. God, the flapping noises. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Feck off. As I say, sweet. Yeah, kill your own brethren, you dummies. Oh, what you gonna do? Oop, where did I go? Oop, where did I go? Screw you. Ah! That was like some Bulletstorm stuff right there. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that might make it like perfectly YouTube worthy. That I just hit him in the air, and then he falls down, and then all of a sudden it's like he sees the 2 things in his face. It's just like, mommy. You know? That's. Oh! You know something? You need to fucking die. Go away. Get off the cliff. Oh, lag. The lag is real. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Give me that nanotech. Give me that nanotech. Where am I even going? I'm going this way. It's funny. It's like I'm about to die, and then either I die or... don't go too early. Getting that greedy. I don't know what to do. Yay, I'm an idiot. But hey, I survived. Can't complain about that, right? Alright, let's try this again. You know, I just realized, you're in Washington, right, Kay? So, I must ask you, what time we got over there? Oh no! Because right now it's 5 in the morning by me. Wait. I have to go that way, son of a... Alright, come on. It's 1:38 in the morning. I see. CIC 79 man. Dad said that all the time. I can't believe it. Speaking of that, I can't believe it. Okay. Oh yeah, look at these mad skills. Yeah! I'm getting cocky. Okay, I won't do that again. I promise. I confess. I will not do that again. Here's my shotgun. I love how the shotgun looks. Look at that. Such a sexy shotgun. Alright, third person view, baby. I like that. Oop. Oh, hello. I definitely seem going in the right direction.
Hey, you two going to the games?
Yeah? What's it to ya?
Whoa, take it easy, Chief. I ain't looking for no trouble. Just an honest man looking to make an honest buck.
I sincerely doubt that.
Hey, I ain't the one trying to get into a sold-out arena. You're gonna need this levitator to get in there.